Hi guys, in this video I will show you how I edit car reels in After Effects. This is part 2 of how I edit. I will drop this free and easy courses once in a week, so make sure to watch it from a part 1 to understand it better. Here I've a speed ramping ready and now I want to add some effects on my videos. I will add a tornado on my first clip, so first what I'm going to do is pre-compose the layer. Make sure to check, move all attributes and adjust composition duration and then rename to whatever you want, and click on OK. Then let's go to Tracker and click on Track Motion. Move tracking point to well-contrasted area. Make track point bigger to make it analyze better. Then click on Options. Here select RGB and enable Adapt feature on every frame, then click on OK. Now let's track it forward. Once the tracking is done, create new null object. Now click on Edit Target and make sure to select null that we have created and click on OK. Then click on Apply and make sure Apply Dimensions are set to X and Y and then click on OK. Let's cut the null, match it to the length of your clip. Let's add tornado footage here. I will leave a download link in description for this one. Link it to null layer and enable 3D on tornado. Now let's position it somewhere and change the size. Once I'm happy with it, I will cut tornado as well. To make it behind the car, duplicate your car clip and move it above tornado layer. Rename it to car only. Now grab a Roto brush tool and double-click on Car Only layer. Make a perfect selection of the car. Once you are happy with your selection, add feather under the Roto brush. I will set it to 10. Now click on Freeze button. Once the freezing is done, go back to Composition. Nice, I'm happy with it. Now let's jump to another basic but very cool 3D track text effect. First of all, I will pre-compose this layer as well. Now click on Track Camera. As the analyzing is done, I will select some points on the ground, right-click and select Create Text and Camera. I will cut the text and match it to the length of the clip I'm working on. Now grab a text tool and let's type here whatever you want. Let's make text smaller and change X, Y, and Z rotations. Now let's animate the text. Open Text Settings and click on Animation and select Opacity. Now click on Add Property and select Tracking. Change opacity to 0%. Expand Range Selector 1. Make sure you are at the very beginning of the text and click on Start Stopwatch icon. Then go a few frames forward and change Start to 100%. Animation is ready. In my case it's too slow. I will move second keyframe backward a bit to make text revealing faster. To make text animation smoother, enable motion blur on your text and then select both keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to ease them. I will add a Deep Glow plugin on my text. If you don't have Deep Glow plugin, you can use After Effects Glow, it works fine as well. Let's grab a text tool and change color of the text. I will choose green color. Let's add shadows to the text now. We have two options. First is to add drop shadow effect. Play around with shadow settings until it makes you happy. I will delete drop shadow effect and let me show you the second option. Duplicate your text layer. Select the bottom one and change rotation like this. Add fill effect on it. Change color to black. Bring down the opacity. I will delete deep glow on it. Add Gaussian blur to that layer and increase blurriness a bit. That looks epic. Let's jump now to the effect we almost see in every car edits, the wheel rotation and closing effect. Let's pre-compose this layer as well. Now first of all we have to mask the wheel perfectly. You can use After Effects Ellipse tool or a Roto brush tool. If you don't know how to turn Roto brush tool into mask selections, check my tutorial on it, I will leave link in description. But, if you have Mocha AE, it's the best way to mask and track perfectly. In Mocha, grab Ellipse tool and mask the wheel, then click on Tracking button. Once the tracking is done, click on Save button and close Mocha AE. Under the Mocha, expand Matte and select Apply Matte. Now duplicate your clip. Select top one and expand Matte again and select Invert Mask. Now we have two masked out layers. Top one is car layer and bottom one is only wheel layer. Select bottom one and rename to Wheel Only. Make sure Wheel Only layer is selected, then double click on Anchor Point tool. Move the anchor point to the center of the wheel. Press R on your keyboard to open rotations. Hold Shift and press P to open position 2. Change rotation a bit. Now click on Rotation and Position stopwatch icons to create a keyframes. Change position like this. Now go a few frames forward, right-click on Position and select Reset. Right-click on Rotation as well and select Reset. I don't like the rotation. I will set my rotation to negative values. Enable motion blur on will only layer. Then press U on your keyboard to see created keyframes. Select all of them and press F9 on your keyboard to ease them. Let's check what we have edited. Cool, but it needs some shake effects. First of all, let's pre-compose all edited clips into one layer, and I will add my shake presets and we are done. To get my shake presets, check this video's description. Also check my tutorials on how to make shakes easy and fast. That's what it looks like with my shake presets. Let me know in the comments if I should make more free courses of how I edit in After Effects. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.